Thermo Fisher Scientific, the world innovator in mass spectrometry, is proud to introduce a new sample preparation and liquid chromatography system, which makes LC-MS analysis accessible to clinical research and forensic toxicology laboratories who have never used it before. This video will show you how the Thermo Scientific Prelude SPLC system, coupled with the Thermo Scientific TSQ Endura mass spectrometer, offers an easy-to-use, robust, liquid chromatography mass spectrometry solution, which will simplify the LC-MS workflow, can double productivity, and reduce operating costs in a lab, while providing the selectivity and sensitivity benefits associated with LC-MS analysis. LC-MS offers highly selective and sensitive analysis of small molecules in complex samples, with no need for derivatization or costly reagents. The ability to analyze many analytes in a single run makes LC-MS cost-effective for screening applications. Using LC-MS, you can obtain high-quality, relevant information at a low operating cost. So, how does your clinical research or forensic toxicology lab easily transition to using LC-MS for your analysis? One way is to start with a method you know will work. And that's why we developed Quick Start pre-developed clinical research and forensic toxicology methods. Each Quick Start method includes a list of required consumables, sample handling procedure, an optimized instrument method, including online sample cleanup and chromatographic separation method, as well as optimal MS acquisition parameters. Quick Start clinical research and forensic toxicology methods also include expected results, including a sample chromatogram and method analytical precision and accuracy data. This allows you to focus on your result, not on how you are going to obtain it. For a list of current Quick Start clinical research and forensic toxicology methods, please ask your sales representative. Of course, if you would like to develop your own methods, you can accomplish this easily with the Prelude SPLC system. You can change all of the online sample cleanup, HPLC, and mass spec parameters by easily changing method parameters in the software. The Prelude SPLC workflow and the unique Thermo Scientific technologies and features built into the Prelude SPLC system make the system easy to use from start to finish. The Prelude SPLC workflow begins with making solvents or placing the pre-mixed solvents on the system. Fisher Chemical LC-MS grade solvents provide the purity necessary for highly reproducible results. Pre-mixed mobile phase blends are available for many of the analyses used on the Prelude SPLC system. Once the solvents are placed on and connected to the system, the Thermo Scientific TurboFlow and analytical columns of choice are connected. The columns are connected easily with finger-tight fittings, so no tools are necessary. The Prelude SPLC system utilizes unique TurboFlow technology for automated online sample cleanup. One of the biggest problems encountered when analyzing complex samples by LC-MS is eliminating the sample matrix, which interferes with the detection and quantitation of the analytes of interest. TurboFlow technology eliminates matrix interferences and ion suppression while capturing relevant analytes for further analysis. After protein precipitation and addition of internal standard, the sample is injected directly into the TurboFlow column. There is no need for time-consuming offline sample preparation steps, reducing the complexity of the workflow. Unlike SPE cartridges, TurboFlow columns can be cleaned and used for hundreds of injections, reducing your lab's consumable costs. Thermo Scientific TraceFinder software makes simplified workflows possible by providing a single, easy-to-learn user interface for LC and MS instrument control, data acquisition, data processing, and reporting. Automated instrument startup routines make system preparation a snap. Once a method is loaded, even non-experts can run samples in as few as 6 mouse clicks. To prepare the instrument to run samples, you will press the Channel Preparation button in the TraceFinder software. This button activates a pre-programmed Prelude system startup routine, which includes automated pump priming and function check. You can load all your standards and samples into the auto sampler at the same time, as they will remain in the refrigerated sample compartments for the duration of the run. Running a preview batch containing some standards, you'll be able to verify that the system is operating optimally. This can be set up in TraceFinder software with 4 mouse clicks and will take the instrument about 20 minutes to run. After you have verified that the instrument is running properly, you can load your sample batch sequence file. then submit the batch. After your samples have finished running, you can review your data. Samples that fall out of the preset acceptance criteria are flagged for further review. Another technology unique to the Prelude SPLC system, which significantly improves the productivity or throughput of your lab, is intelligent multi-channel optimization. This technology enables 2 HPLC channels to flow into one mass spectrometer, allowing you to fully utilize the MS. The Prelude SPLC system controls 2 separate HPLC channels in parallel, running either identical or different methods. In this example, you can see how intelligent multi-channel optimization on a Prelude SPLC system enables the analysis of 6 opiates and 14 benzodiazepines with one mass spectrometer. The injections are staggered in such a way that when no analytes elute from channel 1, the MS analyzes the opiate compounds on channel 2. In this way, the Prelude SPLC system doubles the productivity of the mass spectrometer. Robust, reproducible operation of the Prelude SPLC system is made possible by the unique syringe design of the HPLC pump. The Prelude SPLC system's syringe pumps deliver solvent needed for each sample analysis in a single push of a syringe. Extremely accurate and reproducible flow is possible without the need for pulse dampeners, active check valves, or piston seals, which can experience wear with every stroke of the piston. Since the pumps do not flow when they are not actively pumping during the analysis, they also conserve solvent. Each Prelude SPLC channel has one pump dedicated to each solvent, providing rugged, low-maintenance operation with minimal solvent consumption. This example of 500 injections of 4 drugs in pooled, crashed human serum illustrates the Prelude SPLC system's reproducibility. This analysis was run using both Prelude channels with intelligent multi-channel optimization and the same turboflow and HPLC method on a single mass spectrometer. Relative standard deviation of MS area counts was less than 10% for all 4 compounds, showing reproducible instrument performance over 34 hours of continuous operation. Combining all the technologies into a low-volume flow path, the Prelude SPLC system delivers the fast gradient response and solvent change time needed for use of small-diameter, high-efficiency HPLC columns and contributes to a reduction in solvent consumption. In this example, analysis of vitamin D was performed using the same columns and mobile phases on a conventional HPLC with online sample cleanup and on the Prelude SPLC system. Even though both the online sample cleanup and HPLC analysis take the same amount of time, the duration of all the other steps, such as sample transfer, equilibration, and column cleanup, are shorter on the Prelude SPLC system. The reduction of the time required for the system to perform those steps results in 33% lower solvent consumption. Optimal remote instrument monitoring software can email notifications to the operator, lab manager, or other designated person when routine service is required. It also alerts service engineers at our Unity Lab services when the system is not functioning properly, so they can troubleshoot the problem remotely. The instrument monitoring software monitors only the number of injections and instrument performance, not sample data. When service is required, the instrument uses swap-and-go parts, designed for quick replacement by our Unity Lab Services field service engineers. Prelude SPLC pumps and valves are modular and easily exchanged for a factory-tested replacement. Service is fast, maximizing productivity. When you purchase the Prelude SPLC system, you will have our support to help implement LC-MS in your lab. In addition to comprehensive instrument operation training, you'll be able to take advantage of 1 week of application-based training in your lab delivered by our experts to as many staff members as necessary. You will also have access to all the available Quick Start clinical research and forensic toxicology methods to help you get started. Achieve a higher quality analysis of your samples, maximize the productivity of your lab, and reduce operating costs with the Prelude SPLC and TSQ Endura LC-MS system. For more information, contact your Thermo Fisher Scientific representative today, or visit us online at thermoscientific.com/prelude.